Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. CSV, separated values, files are a common format for storing tabular data. Python provides a built-in module called CSV that makes it easy to work with CSV files. In this tutorial, you will learn how to extract data from a CSV file using Python. Before we get started, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official website, python.org. To work with CSV files, you need to import the CSV module. This module provides functions for reading and writing CSV files. You can use the open function to open a CSV file. Specify the file path and the mode as read, to open the file for reading. Replace data.csv with the path to your CSV file. The CSV module provides the CSV.reader class, which you can use to read the CSV data from the file. Create a CSV.reader object and pass the opened file as an argument. Now that you have a CSV_reader object, you can use a for loop to iterate through the rows in the CSV file. Each row is represented as a list of values. In this loop, row will be a list containing the values from the current row. You can access individual values by their index in the list. For example, row 0 would give you the first value in the row. After you have finished working with the CSV file, it's a good practice to close it using the close method to free up system resources. Here's a complete example of extracting data from a CSV file and printing it. Make sure to replace data.csv with the actual path to your CSV file. If your CSV file has a header row that describes the columns, you can skip it by calling next, CSV_reader, before the loop. This moves the reader to the next row, which will be the first data row. With this code, the header row is skipped, and the loop processes the actual data rows. In this tutorial, you've learned how to extract data from a CSV file using Python. The CSV module makes it easy to work with CSV files and is particularly useful when dealing with large datasets or automating data extraction and processing tasks. ChatGPT